if you are part of a research group at Queen's, you are eligible to apply for a CAC account, which gives you full access to the compute cluster. Right now, we have a particular reservation that has a few set of nodes, like 4 compute node that gives you roughly 100 cores of compute resources that can be accessed through student account. But if you want to sign up, I'm hoping like you are thinking of signing up for a CSA account to get more access to the compute cluster, in which case we have a registration form for the link here, and you can register on that particular site. So this is the registration form. So you when you sign up, if you are a PI, if you're a prof at Queen's University, you sign up as a principal investigator. If you're a part of the research group as a student, like either a postdoc, a PhD, or master's or undergrad as well, you sign up as a collaborator, and followed by you have to specify your principal investigators institute email. Based on that, you will be you can search for your group names, and through that you can sign up for this particular form. Once your PI approves your account, it comes to our admin, and we will do the activation from the admin side after verifying everything is good or not.